tire tube maintenance. I'm going to put a tube inside that tire because, as you can see, the tire's in fine condition, but it's cracked up enough to where it's leaking. So I'm going to, with any luck, be able to get a tube to work in there.
Hey, Dad.
But look at that stand. See how versatile it is? I mean, that's picking up the whole three-wheeler.
Hey, Dad.
So nice. What?
What do you think is the most safest makeup?
Stuff strewn absolutely everywhere. I'm all out of gas. I've got like maybe a gallon left race gas. I don't even think that much. And maybe a gallon of regular non-ethanol. But I'm pretty much saving that for the mower, so I gotta go sometime soon and restock everything. And hoe this place out, clean it up big time. Someday. Yesterday I did my chains real nice. Chains real nice, yeah. Yeah. There should be definitely some stripper music playing. Look at that. Chicka, chicka, wow. Yeah. How's your hiney? Is it clean? Did Daddy wipe you? Yes, he did. Nice, cleaned, lubricated heinies. So I got a prescription for medicinal marijuana, and I've been with it for about a month, a little more than a month, and it has lowered my blood pressure drastically, like on the low side of blood pressure normally, and sometimes I've been in the triple digits, both numbers. And of course it chills you out and makes you a lot more mellow, not quite so razor edge frickin' crazy, you know. It does do that for me anyways. I'm sure my wife agrees. She would rather have me on it 24/7. That's my honey though. So yeah, there's that, huh, Cappy?
What?
Daddy's been using medicinal marijuana.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, go. Hey, Dad, check it out. I brought the big umbrella.
Guess you didn't catch it. You did what?
I brought the big umbrella over.
Oh, that'll be fun probably. You shut off the TV?
Yep.
We're going to stay here and chill out. I can see I've got some more fine tuning to do on my bike.
Have some. Hey, do you want to play dolls?
No, I guess some more fine tuning I got to do on my bike.
No.
'Cause I love you, I really do. I honestly love you. And you're okay too, Cat.
Should I just leave over here?
Can you just imagine a machine as perfect as this VX10? Never before and never again will there be such a beautiful refinement.
Should I leave and give you
Such as this.
privacy?
Everybody's a comedian nowadays, ain't they?
Yeah.
My camera works so beautifully on it, taking the backwards picture. See? the backwards picture.
Yep. The way
I get some footage that my wife still has not downloaded. Oh, I just want to play with this thing. I want to go to a track that's only me there. Perfect day, perfect conditions, perfect pavement, and I just want to play with this thing for like a week. Every suspension setting, I mean, just awesome. And if I could get a lower gear ratio, that would really be a super fun thing too. That's definitely the next thing I'm going to get. Because if this thing had the gear ratio that my Z does, this would be one screaming mofo.
Hey, Dad.
I mean, it already is. I mean, it's not off the Z by very much in the low end power, and of course it's a good deal faster top end.
Dad, the way you're talking about your bike, it just sounds like you don't care about anything else.
Is that what it sounds like?
Yeah.
Strange. That's so